History. The rapidly growing industry of blockchain has been a popular topic of discussion in recent years. The incredible increase in Bitcoin's price has made many people interested in this emerging technology, and new applications using the blockchain are made almost every day. But where did it all start? A lot of sources connect the birth of the blockchain with the invention of Bitcoin, but in reality, while Bitcoin incorporated all of the concepts and created a functioning system, the concepts and technologies behind it were described long before Bitcoin. Electronic cash. In 1983, a computer scientist and cryptographer by the name of David Chaum came up with the idea behind eCash. He described eCash as an anonymous cryptographic electronic money or electronic cash system, which could be used to transfer funds anonymously. For that, he invented the blinding formula, a digital signing formula in which a message is hidden before being signed, making it possible to transfer a document that is signed by a third party, without giving the third party the ability to read the document. This invention introduced anonymity to payment systems, and it is the idea behind the use of public and private keys that are still used today. The first time something resembling a blockchain was described, it was the early 1990s. In 1991, two scientists, Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta, described timestamping of digital documents and creating a network of users to store and validate cryptographically secured documents. This theory was described as a solution to eliminate the theft of documents and plagiarism. To test their system, they created a network of computers which would all validate and store the documents. They time-stamped the digital documents with the use of cryptography, which allowed the network of users to see if a document had been altered and to confirm the rightful owner of the documents. If someone tried to alter a document, it would be easily seen, and the corrupt version of the document would be discarded. This theory was further improved upon in 1992 by David Bayer, Scott Haber, and W. Scott Stornetta by introducing Merkle trees into the mix. This introduced a new structure to how the documents were stored and made the protocol more effective, reducing the storage and the total computing power needed to validate certifications.